Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're standing outside our showroom, and this is a 2021 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage with quads. Yes, I said with quads. 300 horsepower V8 Mercury engines. Hopefully you've been able to been on a boat with these. They are very quiet, but very powerful at the same time. Large transom live well here for all your pinfish, your greenbacks, your shrimp. For those nice offshore fishing days. Well laid out seat here, comfortable for 3 people. That can also fold in when it's time to do that fishing. We'll move up here. This is our summer kitchen option. We have a grill with prep station and a sink. And underneath this area, this is going to be all tackle storage or storage for anything you can think of, with tons of room. Dual insulated fish boxes on this boat with macerators. Work our way up. Notice the refrigerator here, well placed. And as we're down here looking in this area, we can see the JL audio system. This is throughout the boat. Twin Raymarine 16-inch screens. Joystick on this boat, of course, for easy docking, maneuvering, and of course your skyhook. And then go ahead and take a quick pan down here in the cabin. This is a great area just to get away from the sun when you're out there fishing for those days, or the kids can go down and hang out there. It's just a perfect area to get away for a little while and get some AC, because this boat does have AC and a gen set. Vessel view up here for all your engine data, so you can watch that here rather than playing with your screens and messing up the GPS and the fish finder. And I'll meet you up front. So this is one of the best parts of the boat. When you are headed out for those offshore fishing trips, you know, maybe it's 80 miles, maybe it's 150 miles, maybe you're crossing to the Bahamas. This is the best. This is huge. This is a well laid out lounge area, comfortable for 2 people. Of course, they have armrests and cup holders. And then up here we also have another seating area for those nice long runs, or just an area to hang out in the sun. This table will also lower and sit flush with the other cushions to where it can be more of a pad, or this cushion can be removed and you could use it as a table. Everybody can sit around and enjoy a nice meal and a nice drink. And then a perfect front deck up here with the windlass anchor stored. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful boat, please feel free to contact us. Again, my name is Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Phone number is 813-424-6084. We look forward to seeing you on the water.